My name is Matthew Delcourt. My program was Web and Mobile Application Development, and the college is CDI North. Programming and app development, it's an ever-growing industry. I had two great instructors, one of which was somebody great I could go to ask questions, and the other was somebody who pushed me to not ask questions but to learn on my own. So the instructors were awesome. More hands-on learning with the instructors and more ability to ask the questions I do need, and to be geared towards more learning one-on-one when you need it. I work with a company called Bright Village, and they help develop business solutions for large and small businesses. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions to people, not only your instructors, but people you know. They might have more knowledge than you think. Going to college changed my life by advancing my career from one path that I wasn't happy in to the path that I am enjoying now.